Hey guys, this is Hussein and you're watching my YouTube channel, and in today's video we'll be talking about BTC, as BTC is actually the mother of all the cryptocurrencies. So it is very important to do the analysis and see how the price is going. So starting from the monthly time frame here, as you can see that the price had made a bullish move. So we are on a monthly time frame. Price made a bullish move in late 20s and late 20th, and in the start of the 21st, like in February, and then came back and then it broke the previous high, right? And of course there are chances that the price might stuck for some time here, and there is so much probability that the BTC will go up in the long run, of course, right? But obviously, to judge the current scenario of the market, we have to move to the smaller time frame, right? So in the weekly, as you can see that we are in a constant downtrend, right? And as you can see that, if you see here that let me just show that with this, you can see this kind of resistance here, looking at the very current price action of the market, right? Based on the weekly time frame, we have quite a big resistance here, right? As you can see that first here the price tried to broke it and moved up, then tried one, twice, thrice, and then finally broke it to the downside. And after breaking this support to downside, that support now became the resistance, and then it touched the price from bottom to top, and it just rejected to the down, and now it is rejecting again, right? And to me this also looks like as a basically a inverted head and shoulders, right? And that is these inverted head and shoulders, and the head and shoulders, you actually see them normally at the end of the trend. So there is so much probability that the price might in the long run it will just this might get you in the bullish trend, right? Okay, so just after that, let's move toward the daily time frame, right? Okay, so in the daily time frame it looks pretty good, in a pretty good shape. Let me just remove all these objects from here. So I just need to clear the chart. Let me just get to the object tree, and okay, so these brushes and this rectangle needs to get removed, right? Okay, so as you can see in the daily time frame, we made this bullish move, broke this last high, right? And after that, in the bullish move, you can see there's only one candle which is against the move, right? So which is this candle right here. So you can call it, whenever in the bullish move you see a candle like this, you can assume that there was some resistance here, but that resistance finally broke, right? On the third day, that resistance broke, right? And obviously that resistance became support, but the confirmed support should at least be tested once, right? So it just tested the very next day, and then it tested after some days as well, right? And after that, same is the case here. If you look at the top here, you can see that the price touched this top here, and it rejected the resistance once, twice, thrice, and then came back all the way to this support, and then went up here, and now rejected aggressively from here, right? Now to me it looks like the BTC is in this range, and as long as it stays in the range, I think it might be a good opportunity to invest in the altcoins, obviously, because if the BTC breaks to the upside, there are chances that all the altcoins, so BTC might move a little bit, but the altcoins will move exponentially, right? And of course same is the case, it brings the risk that if the BTC breaks it down, right, then there is so much possibility that after breaking this, the BTC can go to this next resistance here, right? And if it breaks that, then we don't know that how much go down. Of course I will make another video to do the top down analysis to tell you guys that how exactly it can do, but right now it is bound in the range, right? And probably this happens that when the big whales are coming into the market and they are, there is not enough liquidity for them to buy, right? So they make such move or such ranges just to grab more liquidity, right? So that people start selling it, or it tries to show you a bullish move and then hits your stop loss, right? And your BTC is sold into the market, they buy those BTC, and they get, so basically they are creating the liquidity here for the bigger bullish move. But of course we can only confirm this once. Let me just remove all this brushes. We can confirm this only once if we break this support to the downside, right? Or if we come back up and break this high, test it and go up, right? So for now, for the upcoming days, this is very important. Actually tomorrow, right now it is testing the support, so if it rejects the support again, so there is so much probability that it might just go up, and on the third test it might just uh, break the resistance and go bullish. But of course the risks are involved, and yeah, whatever goes, I will make another video for the future analysis. Thank you.